beginning of this hairstyle starts with a center part that comes back 3 to 4 inches. Once you've got that center part done, we are going to part it down to the ear on both sides. This front section of the hair is going to be the bulk of the hairstyle. Once you've got those two sections done, this back area is going to be put into a low side ponytail. So I'm bringing it over by her right ear and then putting it into a ponytail. Next, we're going to come back to the front section and I'm going to make 6 ponytails. So 3 on the left and 3 on the right side. You can do your ponytails however you want. This first way that I'm showing you, I do the middle one first so that I keep the part lines on either side clean. So here's my third ponytail on this left side. And then I'm going to do the same on the right side, except I'm going to part it out a little bit differently. It just is personal preference. So on this side, I'm going to do the section that's closest to the middle part line first, and then I'm going to go down from there. So the only difference is when I parted off the other side, I parted all 3 and then did the middle one first. And this one I'm working from the top down. So whatever you find easiest, go ahead and do it that way. So this style works best if you're using water and spray gel. These strands that we're going to be working with, they tend to have a lot of flyaways in them because they've got some of those front baby hairs. And so you'll see me spraying each strand down with water, and then I'm going to do it again with spray gel and comb the spray gel down. So I'm going to take this far ponytail, add it to the second one, and I'm going to come down maybe 1 inch to 2 inches and add them together. The style is going to have a cascading effect, and so you're going to simply bring it down a little bit when you add the next ponytail. So there's 2 to 3 that we're going to add together. Now when I add ponytail 3 to ponytail 4, I'm going to come down a little bit more. And our ultimate goal is to bring it down to this ponytail that I put onto the side. So I've edited those steps out where I spray in spray gel, but before each one I spray a little bit of spray gel through the strand, comb it through so that I don't have a ton of flyaways. This last one I'm going to simply add all of it to the ponytail, and there is our fun cascading ladder look. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a comment. We love to hear from you, and we will see you in our next video.